Welcome back to Seattle. I'm just kidding, it's not Seattle, it's New England. Yeah, it's not. Look at that volleyball way out there. Look at it in the front yard. Yo, that's a pond in our front yard. So what I gotta do now is I gotta move the car so I can take that guy, Billy, down to the shipping container to grab our tent that we use during goat snuggles to put it all the way over by the boy goats so we can breed goats in the rain. And Liz and I can stand under a tent and not get so soaking wet. That is project number 1 of the day. Actually, yeah, project number 1. That's what we're gonna do. So move car, move Billy, go get tent, set up tent, game on. It's time to go. I don't even know what else to say. This rain is just, yeah, I've had enough. Ammonium chloride, that's good for boys. During this process of getting this tent, I was trying real hard not to rip up the grass. But that didn't happen. It's so soaking wet, just driving on the grass ripped it up. Look at this. Look at that. I didn't even do anything. Okay, we're gonna stop at House of Pie. We're gonna do the typical House of Pie daily chores. No grain. I got the outside camera working. I was going to let you guys watch graining and feeding and all that, but because it's raining so bad, they're gonna ignore the grain. They're not coming out in the grain in this. So I'm gonna quickly do House of Pie and then head over, see Mom set up tent, get ready to breed. I think Greta and I'm not sure who else. Maybe Grace? Ah! I'm looking for tail flagging on that one. I don't see any flagging of tails. Nope, I see a lot of Billies waking up. Good Billy, wake it up. Oh, stretch it out there, Billy. Good job, buddy. That was good. You still got sleepy seeds? I told you they wouldn't go in the rain. Amy, you're a mess. What is going on here, girl? Oh, man. Your poop looks great, though. Oh, you're getting so old. You're getting so old, Amy. Let me take a look at your eyes. Let me take a look at you. Oh, she's got too much energy for me. Oh, let me take a quick look. Oh, super pink. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. How about you? How about you, Charlotte? Let's take a quick look. Oh, pretty pink. Beautiful girls. Are you getting frisky yet? No. Can I see your undercarriage? No. Huh? It's not up in the air. It's not gooey. Nothing going on there. How about you? You getting frisky? It's so dark. No flagging. No chatting. Any mucus? Anything? No? Okay, nothing. We should clean off the patio, the platform. But Mom's waiting for me with this tent, so I gotta get back. Throw some hay and get back. Oh, great. So we got the tent over here, but I can't set up the tent before I get this guy out of here because the tent's gonna take up too much room and I'll never get that guy out. We had to bring him through the mud and now he won't start. I've never had him not want to start. So I gotta put him in neutral and push him behind. Oh. I gotta get him past the tent. There we go. Oh, come on. Straighten the wheel. All right, I'll be back. We're up, sort of. My string broke on that corner. I'm gonna try to tie this one to maybe this gate here. I don't know, just to add a little extra weight. So if the wind starts blowing, it doesn't go anywhere. I'll come back for the, actually, she might need that now. Oh, we did not need Billy to die right now. We kind of needed him. Oh, man. Oops, I just drove over that rock. Yep, it's one of the reasons I'd love to come back down here and clean all this. This whole section of trees, I want to get rid of it. From here over, make the barn just super clean and wide open. From the problem is, I think it would make the barn a little hotter because less shade, but it would be a lot safer, easier to work, and less dead trees like that big guy up there that can fall at any time. But Tyler fixed it. He jump-started it, really. We think it's a battery issue, maybe a battery connection problem, or a completely dead old battery, which would make sense because the machine's about 6-7 years old, and we've never, got to change it back to 2-wheel drive. We've never replaced the battery on it. Don't fall. I just slipped. It's getting real squishy. It's like a big sponge out here. I mean, that's just awesome.
Oh, this is gross.
It's gross, even under the tent. Pretty nasty.
All right, Greta, it's your turn.
Greta, you're first.
Your man is ready. He's over there. He's over there making a pose and everything.
Yeah, he's got his house is. Oh yeah, he's up on. I can't see him. I don't think.
To do.
I don't think I see. Oh, I do see him. Yep.
All right, everybody.
Go and get him. You gotta fix that fence, though.
it simple, keep it sweet. Here's a line I heard somewhere. Feel the ground under your feet. It can take you anywhere. Chasing shadows with you. Let's get broken, then repair. In times of anger, feeling hope, find that light under. Build a bridge right to the shore. All that could have been talk, it would have been walks. You never done much for help. Get on your feet and run. Too much temper, too much bittersweet. Burning candles on our own. Way if we get to where we're going now, we can always come back home. In times of anger, feeling hope, find that light under the door. Build a bridge right to the shore. All that could have been talk and would have been wants. They never done much for help. Get on your feet and run. Sweet burning candles on our own. The way if we get to where we're going now, we can always come back home. In times of anger, feeling hopeless, find that light under the door. Build a bridge right to the shore. All that could have been talk and would have been wants. They never done much for help. Get on your feet and run.
You got to see Greta 3 times. That's enough. You, on the other hand, crazy goat. Almost, and you too. You broke your little skir off. Bunch of crazy animals. I think that's it. Tyler's now making a bunch of noise, power washing his ATV because I think he's gonna sell it and switch it to something a little different because he's older now. I don't know what he's thinking, but it's loud, it's raining, and we're done. That's it. We're done for the day. I think. I mean, we got more to do, but we're done recording. So we'll see you again tomorrow.